Hello, everyone. My name is Roz with Done Right Bookkeeping Services. What I do on a weekly basis is share different bookkeeping tips as well as QuickBook tips with small business owners. I am a certified excuse me, I am a certified pro advisor with QuickBooks as well. So if you're in need of a bookkeeper, you can actually schedule a consultation with me where I'll learn more about your business and what your bookkeeping needs are, because every business is different. But on today's video, I'm going to share with you a quick tip using QuickBooks. So if you're creating invoices, right? We want to get paid, so we're creating invoices for our customers. So let's go ahead and share my screen with you. See here. And if you find value in this video, go ahead and like and comment and follow or subscribe to the channel as well, so you can stay updated with more videos that come out. I'm also going to have the affiliate link to the QuickBooks. So if you don't have QuickBooks yet and you're considering it, go ahead and click the link because you'll get a discount on that. As well as I'm going to have my consultation link, my website link, and my YouTube channel, so you can actually subscribe so you can stay updated with the different tips. So I'm here in a sample test company that QuickBooks has set up to allow people to learn more about QuickBooks, how to navigate it, and all of that good stuff. So over here on the left navigation panel, we're going to be talking about invoices. So that will be under sales, right? So if I click on sales, or if I come over here and click on the sub menu on invoices, it will take me in the same area, right? And these are the different tabs that you can click on to go to the different sections. But we're going to focus on invoices today. How do you create an invoice? So here, like I said, this is a sample company, and you can see here that there's some past due invoices that's here. But we're going to talk about how to create a new invoice. So when I come over here to this green button that says create invoice, click on that. Then there's this new screen that pops up. So up here at the top left, there's the customer. If you click on the drop down, if you already have the customer set up, you'll just, type in here and search for that customer, or you can add in a new customer. But let's say Mark Cho, okay, just to have the information here. Because he's already in the system, all of his information, the billing and all of that good stuff actually pops up, his email. If I wanted to send, let's say his email wasn't in here, I can actually add it. If I wanted to send this later, I can just click this box. It has his billing information. It has the terms in here. If I needed to change the terms or add a new term, I can do that. If I needed this to be due on receipt, so as soon as Mark receives the invoice, that means that the invoice is due at that time. The invoice date, that would typically be the date that you're creating the invoice, and you have a due date. When is it due? You can put some tags in here as well, and you can actually choose here what is the product or service that you're actually billing Mark for or invoicing Mark for. You click on this drop down. Either you have the actual product or service already set up, which you can scroll through or type in what the product is, or you can add a new product. Let's say it's, let's scroll down some. Let's say it's actually pest control. You'll see here that there's some things that's already populated in here because this information or this service was already set up in the QuickBooks account system or software, right? So it's saying here, given the description, it's one, the rate is $35. And then, is it taxable or isn't it? If it's taxable, you can put the check mark, check this box here. But let's say it's not. You can also add in here if just some message that you want to be added onto the invoice as well. You know, a nice little a message to the customer. You can actually add a discount if that's applicable here, either by percentage or by value, right? You can also message on the statement. You can add an attachment here. This, if depending on the taxes, you can choose, you know, which state, if you already have that in here, right? And I'm not going to do any of that. And if I come down here, you can see I can either save and send. I can click on this arrow, and then I can share the link. I can save and close, save and new. I can actually make it, I can actually see exactly what the invoice is going to look like. I can print it later. Let's say I want to print or preview it. So this is how the invoice would look. Maybe I want to print it as a PDF or something like that. I can download it, whatever that may be. I can make it recurring. I can customize it. Let's say I wanted a new style. I don't want it to be standard. I can create a new style. So it gives me some options over here. I can add in the logo, dive in with a template. You can, you know, let's see what that's going to, so it gives you a couple of different templates that you can choose from. You can add your logo, the color scheme of this invoice, whatever it may be, you know, the font, when in doubt, print it out. So what are the margins and all that good stuff. So if I wanted to preview it, this is how it would look. So you remember I clicked on the green, so that's why this is showing green. And you can see here, some areas are in green, right? Remember I had clicked on the taxes, that was still in there, and that's there, right? And this is actually a test on what the invoice would look like. So if I close out of that and I say, you know what, I'm done. I'm going to click on done, and it actually should have added the invoice. Is this the one? The invoice on here. Let's see. Yeah, here it is here. This one here was added in. And that's the one that I actually just created, shared with you guys. So hope you found value in this video. If you have, like I said, just give me a thumbs up. Go ahead and comment. Go ahead and follow or subscribe to the channel as well. So if you're in need of a bookkeeper, go ahead and schedule a consultation with me. If you're considering signing up with QuickBooks, go ahead and click the link in the description area so you can get a discount, right? So I want to say much success to you in the growth of your business. God bless, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.